skånska yhtiö Merivalkama.
This is amazing today on the 7th of July 2022 in the same residential building here on Merivalkama, Sjöstranden 8. This take is the last take is in this residential building. There's a very different one, completely different Valmet with Shinar fixtures. It has this occupied at here light with 5 floors, no memory, but still amazing. It built in late 1986, finished 1987. The staircases A, B, and C were built in 1987. So this is the turn of the year 1986-87 that we just found here. This number is VS 1788. It's going to be inspected this year, 2022. It turned 35 years old in last year, 2022. This has 2 rides, and I'll of course check the alarm here later.
Yeah.
Because it's different. This is in Kivenlahti, Stensvik, close to Espoo, Espoo weekend in Espoo. Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region, Uusimaa, Finland.
Tippaa kiva esittää, että veitiin sinne.
Yeah. Let's set the alarm.
Yeah, but I call it because I take the picture when the light is on. That's